crew is here.
What's up, bro?
What's going on, man?
Good to see you. This is Billy.
Hey, great
nice
to meet you,
brother.
Yeah,
Billy.
for sure.
What's goody? We're hungry. Yeah, is that good? I'm gonna have to give that a 9. 9.2. 8.5. Ooh! 3. 9. But it'd be cool if people come and they're like, "Oh, I'm gonna go up to the rooftop. You guys are here for the workshop then."
I vote rooftop.
So, hi Dana, I'm not sure if you're the one that asked for this, but we were wondering if there's any way we can get a table for 10 people at the rooftop, because that's what it's called, on Thursday from 7 to 9. We think this would be good content, and also hi.
Cheers.
We're going to film a season of MIDCONVO. Yo, 5 minutes away.
Something be smelling like straight right now, dude. We are at a corner waiting for our Uber XL to get to the studio so we can set up all this gear. All right, just got pulled up to the studio.
Nice.
This is so fire.
Let's do this. Fun. Thanks. I like it. Welcome to the MIDCONVO podcast. My name is Paul, and we got Eberly Films in the building. You gotta get the reps in your business.
All right, welcome to the episode of MIDCONVO where we show you how to grow your biceps with Paul Weaver. He doesn't hit leg day though.
Let me see your legs.
Oh, heck no. Heck no. They call me Paul Leg Thins.
You're about to go nuts. Don't forget me when you got 100K subs.
That's awesome.
Because you're about to go stupid.
Bro, appreciate you. See you, bro. He's fired up. Let's go. MIDCONVO. Billy, he's fired up. Hey, 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 come on. Hey, I noticed you from MIDCONVO season 3. Hey, Clubhouse right there. We got Clubhouse people in the building. This is how I'm gonna show up to the workshop. You ready? 1 second. Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for coming. It's your boy Paul Wheathins. Call me Young Trisket. Come on. Yo, what's up guys? Come on. Hey, 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 come on. Let's go. MIDCONVO season 1.
This is a trailer.
Throw your ones up. Throw your ones up. Throw your ones up. Over there. We got Billy Torres. Throw your ones up. Hey, 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 hey. We just wrapped a full day. We recorded a few episodes internally. And then also, we got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. So we're gonna go back, wake up early, and go to the pier and a few other Toronto landmarks, which is gonna be awesome. What's up, Ed? Little pier vibes? You look tired.
Can't sleep, bro.
If Sammy was here, she'd give you like magnesium on your feet and like all this essential oil stuff. It puts you to sleep. Today we have a packed day. We got a lot of workshop prep. Do you feel like we're ready to go for the workshop?
Un café, por favor.
What's up, Toronto? Yo, today's a busy day though. We're doing sunrise, which is awesome. But we got a lot of stuff going on today. We still need some sort of branding for the workshop. We need to figure out catering, and we also need to get our slides right. So I'm gonna talk with Ed to make sure that we're on the same page, so then that the workshop is just dialed. And I think that my heart behind even doing in-person workshops is that I'm sick and tired of freelancers giving up because they don't have their finances right. All right, we have to go get ready for this workshop like now. Like now. Let's go. We are at the rooftop of the hotel that we're gonna be hosting the welcome cocktail hang at. I'm gonna ask the management right now, see if we're able to host it up here.
It's about 30 bucks, but if you want to feed more people, like 8 hours.
I would love that.
Yeah.
I also got a quote for 9 posters. My goodness, what are these printed on? $469.68.
So basically, this projector is $2,000, okay? This screen is probably $1,000, and this table is $1,000. Honestly, the math is not matching.
So, flow, people come in here, we have snacks, we have coffee, we have refreshments. People get to maybe shake hands with my guy Edward right here. When it comes time for the lecture vibes, we have 16 chairs.
Yeah.
And then there's the lounge. We're gonna have over here the backdrop.
Okay.
We'll have on this little table right here the projector. I think the flow of it is you speak.
I'm speaking tomorrow?
And then I'm speaking.
Yeah.
And then we're speaking together.
Yep. It's gonna be super cool. People are gonna get a headshot, some custom portraits by the photographers here. It's gonna be sick.
Real quick, guys. Ed, we need to go to the rooftop like ASAP because people are going there for the welcome hang. Bro. Billy, I'm serious. I'm trying to hit this so it's a transition.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on.
Thanks for hosting us in your city, though.
In other words, hold my hand. In other words.
I love that a lot.
Okay, sweet.
Good
It'll
job,
speed
man.
up perfectly for the pricing talk.
Sweet.
I'll see you in a little bit.
Sounds good. Today's workshop day,
And what?
but there's a problem. Bro, on my pants too? Bro, the flat white was not a good choice. We're gonna go to Tim Hortons, get the bagels, grab some muffins, get the coffee, and then go through some slides before the workshop starts.
All right, Dunkin' or Tim Hortons?
Timmy Hortons.
Tim Hortons or Starbucks?
Dude, Tim Hortons. Starbucks is not it.
What would you put over Tim Hortons?
Panera bread. I love me some Panera bread. We got the goods. What's up, friends?
What up?
Let's go.
Y'all are killing.
Come on in. Thanks for coming. Let's go. You guys can come in. You guys, we have all day here. Make yourself at home. Good to see you. See you too. What's your name? Dean. I'm Paul. Thanks for coming, bro. Appreciate you.
I'm Bonnie Dixon, and I have invested a whole lot of time into other marketing programs and education, but I gotta say the thing that really drew me in the most was the community aspect around the program.
I've been following Paul for quite a few years now. I've been involved in some of his webinars and courses, and I came here today to really be around other photographers, but then also get his insight on the business side of things. So it was an incredible experience just for learning about how to attract more premium clients.
1, 2, 3. Let me see if we got everyone.
Yeah, we got it. Oh! Let's go!
That was awesome. That was a lot of gear. It's time to go back to Miami though. Let's go.